morning. Our lesson today is about approximating to the nearest tenth. To approximate to the nearest tenth, if the hundredths, okay, we have units, tenths, hundredths, and so on, then decimal point, tenths, hundredths. Okay, to approximate to the nearest tenth, look at the hundredths. If the hundredths digit is less than 5, as we said before, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, the poor group, then cancel all the digits to the right of the tenth. Then keep the other digits as they are. Here I have in this exercise 1.32. Where is tenths? Underline the digit in tenths and look at the digit before tenths in hundredths. 2 is poor, so cancel the digit to the right of tenths and keep the other digits as they are. So it will be 1.3. And here I have 2.306. Underline the digit in tenths place. Look at the digit before tenths. In hundredths place, 0 is poor. So cancel all the digits to the right of tenths, then write or keep the digits as they are, 2.3. And in case the hundredths digit is more than or equal to 5, as 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, rich group. Okay, then cancel all the digits to the right of the 10th place and add 1 to the 10th digit and keep the other digits as they are. Like this, 275.75. Underline the digit in tenths. Look at the digit before tenths in hundredths place. 5 is rich. Cancel the digit to the right of tenth, then add 1 to tenths and keep the other digits as they are. So it will be 275 put 0.8. 7 plus 1 equals 8. And 327.082. Underline the digit in tenths. Look at the digit in hundredths. 8 is rich. Okay, cancel all the digits to the right of tenths. Add 1 to tenths. 0 plus 1 equals 1 and keep the other digits as they are, 327.1. Okay, note that we sometimes say approximating to the nearest one decimal place, approximating to the nearest tenth or approximating to the nearest one decimal place, tenth 0.1. So we can say approximate to the nearest one whole place, one decimal place. Okay, and now with the first exercise, approximate each of the following numbers to the nearest one decimal place or to the nearest tenth. Okay, underline the digit in tenths. Look at the digit before tenths in hundredths place. 6 is rich. Okay, cancel the digits to the right of tenth, rich, so I will add 2, add 1 to tenths and keep the other digits as they are. 5 plus 1 equals 6.260. Okay, letter P, underline the digit in tenths. Look at the digit before tenths. 3 is poor, so cancel all the digits to the right of tenths and keep the other digits as they are. 142.0 equals 142. Letter C in the same sequence. Tenths, hundredths. Okay, underline the digit in tenths. Look at the digits before tenths. 6 is rich. Cancel all the digits to the right of tenths. Add 1 to tenths. 9 plus 1 equals 10. 0, then put the decimal point, carry up 1. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 1.0 equals 1. Letter D, 999.99. Underline the digit in tenths. Look at the digit before tenths. 9 is rich. Cancel the digit before tenths. Add 1 to tenths. 9 plus 1 equals 10. 0, then put the decimal point, carry up 1. 1 plus 9, 10. 0, carry up 1. 1 plus 9, 10. 0, carry up 1. 1 plus 9, 10. Okay? It will be 1000. 1000.0 equals 1000. And here I have fraction 3 over 5. Okay, this fraction I will convert it to decimal number, so the denominator should be 10 or 100 or 1000. So I will multiply both of the numerator and denominator by 2. 3 by 2 equals 6, and 5 by 2 equals to 10. 6 over 10 equals 0.6. And now I will do the approximation. Tenths, underline the digit in tenths, and look at the digit before tenths. Here I don't have hundredths, so I will put 0 in hundredths to keep its place. Okay, 0 is poor, so cancel all the digits to the right of tenths and keep the other digits as they are. So it will be 0.6. Exercise number 2. Exercise number 2, carry out the following operation rounded to the nearest tenth. Okay, firstly, I will do the addition operation vertical. 876.8 plus, okay, plus 10,687.4. Firstly, count the digits after the decimal point. Here I have one digit and here I have one digit. So start from the right. 8 plus 4 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2, put the decimal point, carry up 1. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 4, carry up 1. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 6, carry up 1. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 5, carry up 1. 1 plus 0, 1. Then write 1. Here I will write the sum. 0.2. Then I will do my approximation. Underline the digit in tenths. Look at the digit before tenths. Here I don't have hundredths, so put 0 to keep its place. 0 is poor, so replace it. No, cancel all the digits to the right of tenths place, then keep the other digits as they are. 115,000, 11,564.2. Letter B, 931.4 dividing by 100. When dividing by 100, I have 2 zeros in 100. So I will move the decimal point 2 places to the left. 1, 2. So I will put the decimal point between 9 and 3. So it will be 9.314. Okay, and now I will do my approximation. Underline the digit in tenths. Look at the digit before tenths in hundredths place. 1 is poor, so cancel all the digits to the right of tenths and keep the other digits as they are. 9.3. Letter C is homework. And now turn the page. Exercise number 3, complete the table. Okay, this number I will approximate it to the nearest thousand, then to the nearest hundred, to the nearest 10, then to the nearest unit, and to the nearest tenth. Okay, firstly I will approximate it to the nearest thousand. Units, tens, hundreds, thousand. Underline the digit in thousand. Look at the digit before thousand. Yes, hundreds. 7 is rich. So, replace units by, firstly, remove the decimal part, then put 0 in units, 0 in tens, 0 in hundreds, and add 1 to thousands, then keep the other digits as they are. So I will put 0 in units, 0 in tens, 0 in hundreds, 8 plus 1 equals 9 in thousand, and write 4 in 10,000, then 2 in 100,000. Okay, and now I will approximate the number to the nearest hundred. Units, tens, hundreds. Underline the digit in hundreds. Then look at the digit before hundreds. Yes, tens. 4 is poor. So firstly, remove the decimal part. Then write 0 in units, 0 in tens. Then keep the other digits as they are. Okay. So I will put 0 in units, then 0 in tens. Then I will write 7 in hundreds as it is, 8 in thousand, 4 10,000, 200,000. Okay, and now I will approximate it to the nearest 10. Units, tens. Underline the digit in tens. Look at the digit before tens and units. 2 is poor. Remove the decimal part. Replace the units by 0 and keep the other digits as they are. So I will put 0 in units, then write 4, 7, 8, 4, 2. And now I will approximate it to the nearest unit. Underline the digit in units. Look at the digit before units in 10th place. Okay, 2 is poor. So, I will remove the decimal part and keep the whole number as it is. So, I will write 2 in 10,000. 2, so start from units. I will keep the whole number as it is. So, I will write 2 in units, 4 in tens, 7 in hundreds, 8 in thousand, 4 10,000, then 2 in 100,000. And now I will approximate the number to the nearest tenth. Okay, underline the digit in tenth. Look at the digit before tenth. 5 is rich. Okay, cancel all the digits to the right of tenth. Then add 1 to tenths place and keep the other digits as they are. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. Then write the decimal point and keep the whole number as it is. Okay. Second one is homework. Third one, homework. Okay, and this one is homework. And now I will solve this exercise. 2.172. I will approximate this number to the nearest thousand. Here I don't have tens or hundreds or thousands, so I will put 0 in tens, 0 in hundreds, 0 in thousand to keep its places. Okay, underline the digit in thousand. Look at the digit before thousand, hundreds. 0 is poor, so I will remove the decimal part. Then replace units, tens, hundreds by zeros. I will put 0 in units, 0 in tens, 0 in hundreds, and 0 in thousand. So the result it will be 0. And now I will approximate it to the nearest 100. Okay, I don't have tens, put 0 in tens and 0 in hundreds. Underline the digit in hundreds. Look at the digit before hundreds. 0, poor. Remove the decimal part. Put 0 in units, 0 in tens, 0 in hundreds. So the result it will be 0. And now approximate to the nearest 10. I don't have tens, so I will put 0 in tens to keep its place. Then underline the digit in tens. Look at the digit before tens, 2 in units. 2 is poor. So I will remove the decimal part, then put 0 in units and keep the digit in tens as it is. So the result it will be 0. And now I will approximate it to the nearest unit. Underline the digit in units. Look at the digit in tenths. 1 is poor. So I will remove the decimal part and keep the whole number as it is, 2. And now, lastly, I will approximate it to the nearest tenth. Underline the digit in tenth. Look at the digit before tenth in hundredths place. 7 is rich. So I will cancel all the digits to the right of tenth, then add 1 to tenth and keep the other digits as it is. So it will be 2.2. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2.2. Okay. Last two exercises are homework. Now our homework in pages. Our homework is complete pages 48 and 49 from the booklet. Goodbye, thank you.